Lost track of the forest through the trees, forgot what I was chasing. Spent so many nights living out at sea that my heart is gone vacant. And everybody who was close to me all stayed on dry land. So now I'm driving back on Interstate West.
You need something? Huh? Is breakfast late? Hi, cute stuff. Come on, Stripe. Morris, hi. Hello, guys. Hello, Morris. Come on. I already petted him once. He's like, maybe. Oh, that's such a big stretch. That's a good boy, Morris. Yeah, you go eat with Marty. You'll come rub around my leg from the backside. Good morning, Stripe. You doing all right? Good morning, buddy. Good morning. Hi, bud. You can come down if you're ready for your stretch. It's sunny, around 50, a little breezy, and supposed to be breezy all day. There's a fire warning, don't burn ban thing today. Everybody's out back has fresh water. I'm going to clean this water too because it's covered in pollen. So Don's the proud owner of a new Pixel 6 phone because he obliterated the phone on his old Pixel 3a. It's around here somewhere.
Yeah, somewhere, yeah.
Yeah, to the point where you can't read it. It was on and Bluetooth was working. He kept it powered. He could open it with the fingerprint reader, but no.
Yeah, unlock it, but I couldn't see anything on the screen.
You couldn't see anything.
And you can't type anything. But using my phone, I could make and receive calls through my phone.
Your watch and your computer.
That's right. I could do texting through my computer and make phone calls through my watch.
Yeah, so he's having a little trouble though because he has an authenticator on his old phone, and we chose not to fix the screen, and let's just say that increased the difficulty just a smidge. Make sure you have a phone number backup or an alternate way besides the phone.
I have like 10 accounts in my authenticator app, and 9 of them no problem. One of them, which is my
work email
account. I didn't have a backup method in there. The only thing you can use is the authenticator app. I didn't have an email address or a alternate phone or anything. So basically my email is toast. And
good thing he's the admin for the email at work.
I'm the email.
He owns it.
I'm
the
administrator email. Anyway, the point is the more or less if I'm back, I can get into my email. Let me just say it very clearly. I can get into my email. I still don't have the two-factor thing exactly sorted out, but I can get into my email.
Right. So he's been having a little fun.
Oh yes, this is what I don't need for a Saturday morning.
But we did luck out that we were able to transfer all the stuff from the old phone through the new phone over the online on the Chrome browser. You went to your Google account or something.
Yeah.
It had a backup of your phone, and you were able to tell the new phone to go use that backup or something. And
yeah, I've got the backup feature enabled. Google
it downloaded all his apps and his pictures and his other stuff. That part we were worried about that part too for a little bit because the cable you can't use, and you can't type anything on the old phone, but it worked because the cloud had the phone backup.
Right, because you can't to do the two phones together or the Bluetooth. You got to be able to see the screen on the old phone to answer the prompts, and you can't do that. And even if you knew what the thing was prompting, just swipe up to confirm, the swipe doesn't work because the screen's broke. I mean, a touch pad is whatever that is called. Yeah, it's broke.
Well, we're almost through the nightmare that was your glass getting broken. Then
at this point, the only thing left is I've got to hook my watch is still hooked to my old phone. I've got to hook my watch to the new phone. And the only reason I'm leaving that to last is because basically this is the only thing I've got that will talk to my phone. I get text message. I mean, I get all the messages and
everything
stuff coming through here. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh well, it's been a thing. Yeah, Don was thinking of getting a new phone anyway, and that's why we decided not to repair the glass. And what we're trying not to do is get into a situation where we have to repair the glass anyway. because he really needed something off the old phone he couldn't get to, and we're almost over that. We're basically over that hump.
We're over that hump. It's just that I would just say be careful if you're using two-factor authentication that you have at least 2 methods in there that don't depend on the phone. Oh, I'm going to call my phone, or I'm going to use an authenticator app on my phone. You need to have somebody else's phone or some other method in there that you can reliably get to, because it does, in this case, if I didn't only have one, I basically said the authenticator app and nothing else, and that was the mistake. So I would just say and I would just say if you're going to use the authenticator apps, make sure the phone number, you have at least one phone number or an email address in there that you can get to from another device, because you can lose this and then you don't have the phone, the SIM, you don't got nothing. They may even give you a new phone number for all I know. I've never lost my phone before, but if your phone's not available and you've got those authenticator apps, you could be really screwed. Because I've got, like I said, I've got 10 different things in there, including some pretty important stuff.
Yeah, it took us about, I'm going to say 30 minutes on the chat with Sprint last night to get his new phone on the T-Mobile network. Right. It's not gotten any easier. It's still, and it was just, it's amazing how non-straightforward that can be. Don now has a downloadable SIM instead of a SIM card. If you didn't know that existed, that's possible now. Right. And it's an unlocked phone. Yeah. No bloatware from Sprint, T-Mobile, or anybody else on it.
Yeah, that's why I like it, because I don't like all that stuff that they mandate onto your phone.
Yeah. Don's pulling Jules out so we can get the new phone set up with the car. All these things you have to do. Look at the yellow tire streaks in the garage. We'll be going out here in a bit. We thought the lighting would be better outside for any videoing than in the garage.
Set up phone key. Allow Tesla to access your device's location while using the app. Pair. Okay. Searching. Communicating with the car. Swipe your key now. Pixel 6 connected. Finishing up. Pixel 6 has been set up for key. I'm having trouble. Connected. Phone key connected. I guess we're good.
Alright, well now you gotta do the Bluetooth part.
Yeah. Yeah.
And this one here, we want to forget device.
Right.
Just so we don't confuse things. And
add a new device.
Start, well, I think it's start search down here is what you press. That's highlighted, but you have to press that button.
That's
caught me off guard before. You're like in a little sub menu in it. I would go to your Bluetooth on the phone. Get out of the Tesla app and go to the Bluetooth on the phone. In settings. I wanted you to go to Bluetooth in settings.
Yes, ma'am. Well, I swear it's used networking.
Yeah, it seems like it would be under network and internet, but it's not, I don't think. It's not there. Go back. Bluetooth pairing connected devices.
Yeah, well, okay. Pair
new device. Yeah. If that's Jules, that's weird. Hopefully that's not my watch.
Yeah, it's probably something.
Hang on, just walk away, lock unavailable, phone key disconnected, lock manually. Okay, anyway, I'm going to cancel this. Now that you're just on the Bluetooth screen, I'm going to tell it to start the search again. There's Pixel 6 right away. It never works the first time. And Bluetooth is, anyway. There's something about opening up the Bluetooth. Now you just say pair. the number popped up over here too. And you're good. And I'm going to make it the priority device. And yeah, let's just make the world bugged on.
Yes.
We'll do all of that stuff. All right, you should be good now.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, I don't know why you have, it's kind of like when Johnny uses the hotspot on my iPhone. If I don't go to the hotspot screen, even though I haven't disabled the hotspot, it won't like send out the push message, yo, I'm a hotspot over here, I'm ready. It's kind of like that with the Bluetooth thing. But anyway, that wasn't a lot of trouble, so. Tux, what did you do? You didn't use the bathroom in my planter, did you? That one didn't have anything in it.
Oh yeah, I love it when my girl makes me bacon, and the more bacon the better.
Yeah.
Can't have too much bacon.
John and I are donating blood this afternoon, and we need to eat before we donate.
Yeah, baby. We're going to be eating bacon.
You don't really care about bacon and eggs, do you?
Mom, bacon.
And sausage. Don dropped me off for a quick look at Guardian Angel, and I found some napkins and a tablecloth and a no place like home garden flag. I think this is my new favorite cup. That would be a 30 to 40 mile per hour wind gust. We were headed over to the Greenway, and then frozen food got delivered, so stuff for the cats. We came home to put it away. We've got just enough time to get our walk in before we gotta go give blood. Drive over to Walmart before we gotta drive over to Walmart. First time getting his stuff going since he switched phones, I guess. Well, we haven't gotten blown away yet, but it is windy, and looking at a dogwood there. And the Carolina jasmine, the yellow flower vine, is starting to bloom too. Viburnum just starting to pop open. Well, pretty soon it'll be summer and the kids will be up playing on the splash pad. It's pretty busy up here this afternoon, as evidenced by all the cars, and both ball field 1 and 2 have practice going on. No uniform, so it's practice. All right, Mr. 6-minute donation.
Oh, no. 5 minutes, 31 seconds. She rounded it up to 6 minutes.
To make me not feel so bad. It took me a little over 10, but hey, the alarm didn't go off one time today. You have to donate your pint within 15 minutes or they can't use the blood. I don't know exactly why that is since it sits in the cooler, but anyway, it's a rule. And we used my left arm again, so it went better. Don loves garden center trips. Oh, yeah. These are actually really pretty, but pansies don't live past the first week or two in May. Once it gets hot here, they die quick, and they don't live through the summer. They live through the winter. So that's not a good investment unless it's a gift for somebody. First off, I'm surprised to see impatiens, and then, oh my God, it's $2.48 and there's only 4 plants. You know, we used to get 6-packs for $1.50, so that's like, wow. Maybe they'll come out with some 6-packs, but who knows? Those aren't multi, and I usually like multi. It's been a while since we did a Don Does Walmart segment.
Yeah, oh my God, look at this donut shop coffee peeps.
Yeah, they got to keep on coming out with new flavors. Here's watermelon. What's this one? Cotton candy.
I might enjoy that.
Hot tamale.
Nah, I don't want that.
And then, you know, oh, chocolate pudding.
There we go.
Wow. Oh, party cake.
Lost track of the forest through the trees, forgot what I was chasing. Spent so many nights living out at sea that my heart is gone vacant. And everybody who was close to me all stayed on dry land. So now I'm driving back on Interstate West. I just gotta feel something. Not gonna wait till the morning.